super starstruck, whip your phones out and please join me in welcoming on stage the voices, the faces, the true believers, our Ready Note 15 series brand ambassadors, SB19! Before we start, patiin nyo naman ang ating mga viewers on our live stream.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Kami po ang SB19. Thank you for having us here. Muli ako po si Pablo.
Ay, gabi sa tanan ako si Ken. I'm Justin.
Hi everyone, my name is Tel. And I'm Josh.
Now guys, if you didn't know, actually sasayaw tayo today.
Ah.
Yes! Hindi na alam? Pwede na daw, di ba? No, I'm just joking. But really, this is your third year with Xiaomi. This is your third year collaborating with Xiaomi. How does that feel for you guys?
Of course, napakagandang start ng year kasi January pa lang we are here with you guys, of course, with our Xiaomi family. And sino ba naman ang hindi magiging masaya having being part of this big name sa industry na to. And of course, same kasi ng goal si SB19 and si Xiaomi. So we're very happy to be part of this big family. And of course, 3 years na kami sa kanila. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala and hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin tayo. So we're very happy and honored and blessed to be here today.
Actually, ramdam din po namin yung growth with Xiaomi kasi nag-start po kami sa Redmi Note 13 and now nandito na tayo sa 15. So, talagang antipid po talaga ng growth.
So, narinig niyo yan, every year umaangat sila. Same goals kasi, di ba? But each year is indeed special. This time, it's Titan Tough. As Titans in the industry, what does Titan Tough truly mean for you?
Titan Tough po kasi parang same po sa amin yung journey namin nung nag-start kami as an artist. Talagang hindi madali yung struggle sa amin, yung pinagdaanan namin. But still, nag-stay kami sa matibay na tao as an artist, And ganoon din po sa Xiaomi. Kahit siguro yung balibag ko dyan, hindi nabawasan.
And then surprisingly, ang ganda pa rin ang quality ng photo.
Ganda ng selfie mo, di ba?
Selfie ko to!
Selfie mo yan, di ba?
Yeah. So yeah, super cute ng moment na yan. And sana sa may-ari po nung aso, sana okay lang po na pinicture ko yung vlog niyo.
Okay, can we see the next photo? Hindi na animal, guys.
Yan ako po, sa akin po. Although mahilig ako sa black, sobrang nagustuhan ko po yung photo nito. And yung pagka-vibrant na colors and yung brightness. And then what I love about this is like, gaya na sabi ni Style, kaya i-zoom mo siya, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung pagiging crisp ng photo. So,
Napakaganda naman ng colors, guys. Do you see how bright these colors are? Okay, next photo.
Wow!
Oh, this one's, I took this photo. Kasi huge foodie ako. And outdoor siya. So kanina, while we were having our lunch, parang sabi ko, nasa labas kami, gusto ko mag-try lang na mag-photo. And then, surprisingly, mukha lang balance ito, pero sobrang liwanag yung kanina. Yung sun, directly dun sa screen ko. But yung AMOLED na quality ng screen, nakikita ko pa rin yung pinapicture ko even though parang sa ibang perspective, di ba? Or sa ibang cellphone, mahirap na siya makita. But this one, I took it with actually very detailed and hindi ako nahirapan mag-adjust dahil sa AMOLED feature ng Redmi Note 15.
Nagutom ba kayo, guys? Parang nagutom ako eh. Okay, last photo.
Dito naman po, nung pinicturean ko po siya, pinaglaruan ko yung parang telephoto effect ng Redmi na nagbe-blur yung sa likod. So nakakatawa kasi nagkakaroon siya ng parang focus. So nag-focus sa harap, tapos medyo blur yung effect. Tapos nakakatawa din po na parang even though medyo dun sa moment ko na medyo padilim na siya paggabi na. So, medyo clear pa rin yung photo, nag-bright pa rin siya. So, hindi siya lumabo. So, ayun po yung na-enjoy ko with taking this photo.
Grabe, iba-iba yung mga vibes nila, no? You know what? This is truly tight and tough indeed. And this next segment is gonna prove that true. No, we will not be dancing. But you guys are gonna want to whip up your phones for this. Please refrain from waving your phones so that our live streamers can see it. But get page, ballot entries were gathered, and now they're all inside the Titan shells. Now here's the catch. To choose our lucky winners, wait lang. We will draw one coconut shell, guys, and we will crack it using the Redmi Note 15. Oh, diba? Ready na ba kayo? Yes? Okay. Now, each coconut shell contains printed comments. Kaya naman, watch out ang mga amin. Kasi, your favorite SB19 member could read out your comment, okay? And that will earn you a signed Redmi Note 15. To our viewers, are you ready?